sometimes somebody has to do something. Well, someone did. That's why I use Upside. Upside, what's in it? It's a free app that pays you back real money for every gallon of gas or diesel you buy. I earn 25 cents back on every gallon of the day. Hold on. The Upside app is free and you actually get cash back every time you use it. No strings attached. It's awesome. Check it out. It only takes a couple of minutes to sign up. Instead of just watching your dollars go into your tank, start putting money back into your wallet with the free app from Upside. With the price of gas today, it's big news and big money. To cash out of your Upside cash, just transfer it to your bank account, PayPal, or a gift card. Upside users have already earned over $200 million. Now it's your turn. Download the free Upside app and get cash back on every gallon of gas. Use promo code STAR18 for an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first fill up. Code for an extra 25 cents per gallon back in your first fill up. Justice Department seeking an order of protection regarding former President Trump related to the criminal case linked to January 6th. They're asking the judge in the case to prevent Mr. Trump from releasing evidence and intimidating witnesses. ABC's Mary Alice Parks.
Trump posting after his arraignment Friday, "If you go after me, I'm coming after you." Prosecutors say they're concerned Trump could disclose evidence, writing, "If the defendant were to begin issuing public posts using details or, for example, grand jury transcripts, it could have a harmful external effect on witnesses." Trump said it was simply political speech.
The Trump legal team has until late Monday afternoon to respond to the request. Mr. Trump tonight talked about the special counsel that got the grand jury indictment alleging a criminal conspiracy to subvert the election and stay in office. Mr. Trump says it's because he is the front runner.
My wife was to be under investigation by deranged Jackson. He's a deranged human being. You take a look at that face, you say that guy is a sick man. There's something wrong with him.
The former president tonight to South Carolina, Republican Party's annual Silver Elephant Dinner in Columbia. School bus rollover crash involving summer campers is being investigated in Idaho. ABC's Zorin Shah.
Around 30 teens and staff members on their way home from a YMCA camp.
So many people passing out Band-Aids and gauze.
Maren Erickson among those jumping into house before first responders arrived.
Many of the kids were kind of having anxiety and panic attacks, and so I counseled their breathing with them.
Police say 11 were hurt, 7 with critical injuries, but all of the children on board taken to area hospitals as a precaution. The crash blocking one of the state's major north-south routes for hours.
No big winner in last night's Mega Millions lottery, so Tuesday's jackpot will be at least $1.5 billion. You're listening to ABC News. California's capital city, KFBK News Radio.
A 500-pound bear tank with tanks captured after 21 home break-ins. Happened in Wisconsin. They say it has been causing extensive property damage as far back as early 2022. The bear's 3 male cubs, which had accompanied Hank on recent home break-ins, were also caught. Alaska Airlines cutting back on Bay Area flights for Oakland and Sacramento. The airline says it's actually dropping a few thousand flights from its January schedule. Southwest is expected to bring back at least 2 Northern California routes. It's the Bay Area Series. The Giants in Oakland today, tomorrow, take on the A's, who have the worst record in the Major League. That's a quick look at the news. I'm Phil Farrell in the iHeartRadio Newsroom.
Now, Sacramento traffic.
Checking KFBK traffic in Sacramento, westbound 50 at 16th Street. We have a ladder in the second lane from left, and vehicles are trying to swerve around to avoid that ladder. Also at Sacramento, northbound 5 at Richards Boulevard. This is a hazard that is in the right lane. Slow traffic westbound 50. This is between the Highway 5099 split and 16th Street. Also some slow traffic on the northbound 99 ramp to westbound 50. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons from the KFBK Traffic Center. Joe Salvatore, KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Now, Sacramento weather. Mainly clear for tonight. Lows will be between 62 and 66. A lot of sunshine for tomorrow. A hot afternoon. Highs between 104 and 108. Clear sky for tomorrow night. Lows between 60 61 and 65, and still into the triple digits Monday with sunshine highs 100 to 104. I'm Activist meteorologist Brian Thompson on KFDK, Sacramento's News Radio. From Rancho Cordova to Grand Valley, every neighborhood in the local headlines, bringing you the local information that matters to you. Local news, breaking news, traffic,
Something big happened on the Capital City Freeway.
and weather. KFDK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Here's a timely offer from Attic Man HVAC, home of the no-charge diagnostic. For a limited time, get up to $8,000 off an HVAC unit from Attic Man with payments as low as $118 per month. No delay. Search online today for Attic Man HVAC.
Every business deserves a great deal. That's why, for a limited time, we're launching a mobile-made free event. With Comcast Business Internet, new and existing customers can find out one line of unlimited mobile free for a year. Yes, you heard that right. An entire year, free. It's our best internet, powered by the next generation 10G network and with 99.9% reliability, paired with the flexibility to bring your own mobile device for no extra cost. Plus, you can save even more for anyone in your business who needs one.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Well, that adds up. Business-ready mobile service for free. Every day of every month for a whole year. Don't wait. The Mobile Made Free event is happening now. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Ends September 21st, 2023. Restrictions apply. Mobile offer requires 100 megabits per second internet package and new unlimited intro mobile service. Other restrictions apply. When we walk, when we reach, when we play, we're moving through life. But an estimated 80% of Americans aren't getting their recommended daily amount of physical activity. It's time to move and keep moving, America. And when you need help, physical therapists and physical therapist assistants are by your side. Because even in the pandemic, we are meant to climb, to dance, to soar, to thrive. Get physical therapy. Visit 2PP.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
When you're at home, you can always that's your smart speaker. Select and play KFDK on iHeartRadio. Clay Travis and Buck Sexton. Sound off. Welcome to the Clay Travis and Buck Sexton Show. They did it. They dropped the indictment relating to the 2020 election of January 6th. They did it right a couple hours after we finished the show yesterday. So I thought it was going to happen sometime this week, and sure enough, it is here. Now, there's a lot going on. We're going to talk about that in detail today. Yes, it is an affront to our judicial system. Yes, it is Banana Republic, third world, imprison your enemy politically nonsense. Yes, it's a preposterous standard they are using for this indictment. We're going to look at it legally, though. We're going to look at it politically, historically, and try to get a sense as to where all this is going. To that end, we'll have our friend Andy McCarthy with us in the second hour. Julie Kelly with us. And coming off a vacation, because that's right, Clay. The Clay never stops. He's going to be joining us in the bottom of this hour from his vacation. If he wants to weigh in on this for a minute. Understandably so. Let's talk about what we
Oh, this is crazy.
Conspiracy to defraud the United States. Conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding. Obstruction of and attempt to obstruct an official proceeding.
Oh, okay.
And
Thank you.
conspiracy against rights.
Okay. Oh, wow.
These are all charges that you could drive the proverbial Mack truck through if you wanted to, right? I mean, it's very vague stuff. And once you read the indictment, which I tweeted about this yesterday, I read it as soon as it came out. It just reads like a Rachel Maddow model over at MSNBC. You know, and then he must have known this wasn't true, and Trump took this legal theory and the legal advisors around him, and it was all lies about the election. They were pushing lies and
go in.
let's
I
just
did.
take a step back from it. The First Amendment clearly protects lies of politicians, or else all of our politicians, really all of them, would be in prison. You are allowed to say things that end up not being true, except in very specific circumstances, right? If you are under oath and it's a matter of fact, not a matter of opinion, that is perjury. If you defame somebody on a matter of fact that you know to be wrong, yeah, there are some areas very specific and narrow in the law.
I'm an idiot. I've been here and I went in before. Duh. I don't know why I didn't remember that until just now.